Let me tell you the truth. You're not dumb. You're not slow. The reason you're stuck is because no one ever taught you how to learn. See, most people study the same way they scroll TikTok fast, distracted, forgetting everything 2 seconds later. And that's why they feel stuck. But here's the cheat code. Your brain has a formula for learning faster, and once you use it, you'll feel like you unlocked a skill no one else has. Step 1. Focus on one thing. When you try to juggle 10 things at once, your brain splits energy into pieces. Focus on one target like a final boss. Beat that first, then move on. That's how the best learners stay ahead. Step 2. Reflect. Don't just repeat. Don't waste time memorizing like a robot. Instead, pause and ask, why does this matter? How does this connect to what I already know? Your brain learns through connections, not cramming. Step 3. Take messy action. You don't get smarter by making perfect notes. You get smarter by trying, failing, adjusting. Action builds knowledge faster than theory ever will. And here's the secret nobody tells you. When you study like this, your brain rewards you. It starts craving the challenge. The struggle becomes fuel. That's why some people seem like they're learning 10 Sheng 2. Faster, it's not talent. It's systems. So stop waiting to feel smart. Stop calling yourself lazy. Lock in on one thing. Reflect on it. Take messy action. Do that every day, and soon, you won't just learn faster than anyone around you, you'll become the person everyone else is trying to catch up to.